You ever had the greatest lesson plan in the world, and as soon as you said to the kids, break up into groups, that like a bomb went off? I did that. I had the greatest lesson plan, my 5th graders years ago, the greatest lesson plan. And they were all going to get up and be active and run around with posters in their hands. And then I had another lesson plan. We were all going to teach about speed and velocity, so I gave them all a yardstick and 2 Matchbox cars. When you give 5th graders a yardstick and 2 Matchbox cars, what do you get? Yeah, you get hockey, you get tennis, you get baseball, you get Matchbox cars going all over the floor because they're toys. So, see, it's not about the lesson, it's the delivery. So we own the delivery. So before I gave them that lesson, I should have taught them how to work in a group. I always do this. I take, what are all the academic skills the child needs in order to be successful in this lesson? What are the skills they're going to need? Well, I'm going to teach about division. They got to know multiplication. They got to kind of know word placement. They got to know this. They got to know that. They got to know that. Then I ask myself, okay, Polly, the way you're going to deliver this lesson, the way you're going to deliver it, what are the social skills they're going to need to have in order to take in that lesson? Wait a second, you're going to break into groups? You're going to do partners? You're going to do, they're all going to get up and walk around? What I find is that I'm a dynamic teacher. I have a lot more skills that are needed over here than over here. And the reason this falls apart is because I didn't plan on this part here. So if you just did this for a couple lessons, you might have that aha moment like I had that said, oh my gosh, there's a whole lot more social skills that are needed than academic skills. So if I get this stuff going, I'll get them going. And by about January, we can break up in a group and we can do all these things. The problem is we expect to teach it once, and all of a sudden, I taught you group skills last week for 10 minutes. You should have it now. January is my goal. All right, realistic.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.